Right folks, we're back out. Guess where I am? My usual haunt, Galway Forest, Dark Sky at Night Park. So, got the kayak tonight. Hopefully Scottish Wanderer's going to be here. I think it's roast beef tonight in the Dutch oven. I reckon that should taste pretty good. And I've got a few wee extras as well that we can stick on for a wee appetiser. But like I say, Dark Sky at Night Park. So, see you when we get there, alright? Right folks, we've arrived. Lovely sunny night. So, some folk will know where this loch is. I've been to this one before. I was out kayaking in this the other week. But I don't even know if Stuart's going to bring his kayak or not. I'm definitely getting mine out. You can tell the water looks pretty calm. Cracking sunny night like I say. So, I don't know where to get the kayak first or set the tent up. I don't know, we'll see what happens. But it does look like a cracking night. But as you can see, absolutely cracking location again. Brilliant views. Brilliant loch this. I like this, and I've even brought the fishing rod with me as well. So whether or not we'll get it out, I don't know. But it probably will, because it's quite a nice calm night. Not too much wind. It's not supposed to rain tonight, not supposed to rain tomorrow. So I'm going to get set up. So I'll bring you back once we're set up. Right, that's Stuart here like I say. He's going to get the kayak in the water and we're going to go a paddle. This is where I was the other week. I paddled a good couple of miles kind of down that way. So I'll maybe go down that way, might even go over the other side and get in that side. Who knows. But like I say, perfectly calm night. Water's perfectly flat, hardly a ripple. So should be good. Cracking view in the background. Got a wee jaunt like I say, nice blue skies. The sun's a shining, you can't beat it. So I'll bring you back once Stuart's got his set up and in the water. Right, that's the tent set up. Here's Stuart's banana boat. Stuart's getting set up over there. But guess what Stuart's forgotten tonight? Right, I might have forgotten my pegs last week, but Stuart's forgot his knife and fork. So how's he going to eat a roast dinner tonight? You'll just have to wait and see. But like I say, tent set up, cracking night, perfectly calm water, sun in the sky, living the dream. This is what it's all about. Get yourselves out there. So, out in the water. Totally perfect night, it really is. We'll get a bit of cooking done later on, but right now, I'm just going to sit and chillax. This is the life. So, today's the night, me, Scottish Wanderer, Bugsey, get 3 tents up. Stuart's got his new DD sort of kind of tarp tent, looks pretty nice. I've got my usual. I think Bugsey's in the same tent he was in last week. We've all brought a wee bit of wood with us. There's a wee bit of wood sitting as well. So we've got a good wee fire going later on. Roast beef tonight. Don't know what else we've got with us. We've brought tatties and all that as well. Here's hoping. Like I say, what I was saying earlier on, I've got a couple of French breads what I'm going to do. And stick some cheddar cheese, red onion. And I've got this kind of, I don't know, it's some sort of, not a marinade, but one of these things that you shake it on. So chuck all that in, wrap that in tin foil. So that'll do for a wee starter. Who knows if Bugsey's brought the cream cakes again tonight, we'll have to wait and see. But right now, we're too busy chatting up there. So hopefully I'll be getting his kayak in the water shortly. We're going to go a wee paddle down this side. So once Stuart's in the water, we'll bring you back out in the banana boat. So decided to come a paddle right over the other side. Like doing a wee bit exploring, just to see if I can get any good spots for future camps. Like I say, this loch is on for a good few miles, good size. Got my fishing rod with me, so I'll maybe get that out later on. But right now, I'm just enjoying paddling along. There's just nothing beats this at all. Perfect night. Can't beat it when the sun's shining, can you? Not a midge in sight. It's fantastic. But I'm just going to keep paddling. See what bits I can find. I know there's a kind of, you can go right over these kind of hills up ahead. I'm trying to remember where the path is. There's a path that takes you down the edge of this, and then it takes you up over. There's a hill walking up over one of those hills, and then you get right over the other side. There's another loch over there. To be honest, there's loads of lochs in the Galloway Forest. I've been to a good few of them, but I've not been to them all yet. But over time, I'll definitely get out. And whether or not I'll get to some of the hill lochs and this, I don't know. Obviously, they're harder to hump it up to, but there's a good few lochs you can get to that are reasonably close to the car. You don't have to carry it too far. That's the handy thing about this kayak. It does it turns into a kind of rucksack thing that you kind of straps on it, and you can basically stick it on your back. So that if you want to go up to a hill loch, you can take it with you. But obviously that, plus all your tent and all your other gear, it takes a bit of effort. But I'm just going to keep paddling, see what's about. As you can see, I've miles and miles of bits to explore about here. So I've been over this side. I'm going to maybe head back over and go round this side. I did paddle away, I was here a few weeks back, away down by the trees. But tonight, I've been told there's some guy pulled up in a van earlier on, and he's told me one of his pals down here. I think I kind of said earlier on that we're going to basically shout at him, "Alright Joe," and he's going to have no idea who we are. So that should be funny. Whether that guy will find it funny, I don't know. But you know what it's like, you've got to have a laugh, don't you? Everybody loves a laugh. But this, for me personally, it's just, I love this. There's just nothing beats getting out here. Some folk like going to the pub on a Saturday night, some folk like the golf. But personally, this is my stress relief. I just love coming out and doing this. Love the camping, love the kayaking, love the eating. Just can't beat it, can't beat it. Oh, tremendous. So, we're on our way. I was going to say homeward bound, so I'm not going home. Well, my tent's my home tonight. But if I was sitting in the house, I wouldn't have views like this. I wouldn't be out in the fresh air. Well, that's what I just love about this. Just out in the great outdoors. Really is. Great night, lovely and calm. It's supposed to be quite a nice day tomorrow, so that's good as well. I think I've actually passed the town further than what I thought. I'm actually quite a bit away from where we're camping. But hey ho, that's what it's all about, and it's doing a wee bit of exploring. Finding new spots to go. So I think we're up quite early tomorrow. I think he's taking his boy to some sort of competition, I think. And I'm taking my older one for gymnastics class. So just out for the night. But I've not had beats this after a week at work. I'm just chillaxing, paddling along. Row, row, row your boats gently down the stream. You can tell this makes me happy, doesn't it? But this definitely is superb. Superb. So hopefully by the time we get back, maybe Stuart might get out into the water. Maybe when I kind of get about another mile down here, I'll see him. You can't miss him in that big yellow banana boat that he's got. But we'll wait and see. Once I get a bit closer back, we'll see if he's out yet, or whether he's still up in dry land, but a landlubber. So, this is us heading back. Like I say, sun's still out, beautiful night. He's sitting in the house watching Coronation Street and Crossroads, X Factor, Celebrity Get Me Out of Here, all these rubbishy programmes that folk watch. I'd rather be out doing this. I don't know about yous, but this is definitely what it's all about, especially on a night like this. You can see the water, sun glistening, perfect. So I'm going to head back. Like I say, I don't know if the cooking's started, but I might get my fly rod out. Never know. Keep saying I'm going to catch a trout. I don't think it's happened yet, but you never know. Maybe tonight's the night. But right now, like I say, I'm just going to start paddling back. But it really is a beautiful night tonight. So that's us, nearly back. But I must admit, I'm quite enjoying just floating about. Especially when you just get the sun going down in the background. Oh, pure bliss. Pure bliss. Really is a cracking walk this. It really is a perfect night as well. No, I keep saying it, but it really is. So, I think that's Stuart in the water now, so we'll maybe see him in a minute. You'll see the big yellow banana boat. Right, here he's coming. Right, Stuart's in the water. He's off away down that way where I've already been. So, it's totally calm now, totally. Water's like a mirror. So, I'm just heading back to where we're camping. I can feel the hunger kicking in. So hopefully we'll start cooking soon. But the sun's more or less starting to come down. Maybe try and get a couple of, I want to head back, try and get some couple or 2 or 3 photos just of the sun coming down and that. I'd like to get some good decent photographs as well. Got some crackers last week when I was out, just down the shore. Took the wee one out. First time she's ever went out a wee bit of wild camping, but she loved it. Love the wee adventure. But I'm going to head back now. I want to try and get some decent photos. I basically the sun going down because I don't think it'll be long. It's starting to just kind of hit the top of the sea line. Hope I get some decent photographs tonight. But well, that's really is. It's just perfect night, perfectly calm now. It's been pretty calm to be honest since I've been out, but right now there's not a wee bit, it's not a single bit of wind. It's just like the water's like glass basically. And you can see just kind of spin down a wee bit, and you'll notice it's the sun just hit the top of the tree line. Won't be long now. I know, it's always starting getting dark. What time is that? I've seen that, it's only 7 o'clock. Maybe got a bit, I don't know, maybe another hour of kind of light. So, let's see, we'll head back in. So, I'll bring you back once I get back into land, basically. Hopefully get a bit of cooking done. Alright, so I'll bring you back once we hit land again. Right, here's Stuart coming. Torpedoes away! The what? The Bismarck. I thought it was a banana boat. Right, there's Stuart in the water.
Comment below, guys, what I should call Kayak.
That's it. You can name Stuart's boat.
Spam.
We have been told, somebody commented that Stuart's to take me to Spam Island. To Spam Island, right? I'm not sure where it is, so Stuart will need to kind of take me there at some point. Right, but Spam Island, maybe that's next in the cards. Right folks, got the fly rod out tonight. So, I know I keep trying fishing. I've still not caught anything yet. Tried all sort of pike I'm not bad at. Bait fishing I'm not bad at, but the fly fishing I'm probably totally useless at. But I'm still going to give it a bash. Lovely calm water, so you never know, we might catch a wee trout, maybe do a catch and cook. But we'll wait and see, yeah. So I'm going to give it a wee bash anyway. Oh, that's what we're talking about. Oh, look at that. Can you hear that gravy bubbling away in the bottom? Those tatties, parsnips, big chunk of roast beef. Oh, superb. Right. Not too long now.
Definitely not long.
Oh, right. And it's going to be ready. Right, but guess who's forgot his cutlery?
Oh.
I forgot my pegs last week for my tent, but guess who's forgot his cutlery tonight? You know who it is.
Maybe you could use that.
So
chopstick.
Stuart's got one chopstick. So that's what he's going to have to eat his roast beef with tonight. But I'm quite sure we'll manage.
Don't mind.
All his. Right, but he has forgot his cutlery tonight. Just in case I didn't mention that. You know how I forgot my pegs last week, but I didn't actually forget my pegs because they were actually in my bag the whole time.
You think that maybe he does have his cutlery? But
well, you never know, Bugsey. You never know. He could possibly have them hidden away somewhere. Oh! He's got a spoon. He's got a spoon to eat roast beef and roast potatoes. Oh no, he's not. He's got the full booner. He has. Right, we'll let him off. Just like I suddenly appeared with my pegs last week. Stuart has miraculously appeared with a knife,
It's
fork.
Bugsey's.
Well, there you go. All thanks to Bugsey. Bugsey saved the day tonight, and Bugsey's doing the cooking tonight. Yeah, and it's looking no bad. I can't tell a lie. I'm going to have to up my game here because that's it. Stuart's been cooking the roast pork last week. Bugsey's in the roast beef this week. I'm going to have to pull out all the stops the next camp.
You show my chair off?
I had a wee mistake there, right? But we're on the ball. We just about forgot the Yorkshire puddings. So we'll stick them in just for another wee 5 minutes just to heat them up, and then we're ready to rock and roll.
Somebody was complaining about nylon string.
Yeah,
This is real string.
I did notice that. Oh, check that out.
There we go.
There we go.
Strings off. No strings attached.
Those strings attached. Oh, that look a fine bit of roast beef. Oh, cooked to perfection. Oh, that looks superb.
Is that boiling? Yeah.
Got the gravy.
Right.
Oh.
Right, gravy's going on.
It's got a wee bit there parsnip on each.
We've got some onions there as well.
Oh yeah, real gravy.
See if you're watching, John. Oh, sorry, what's John's name again? Is it 5-stroke wonder or
5-stroke wanderer.
20-stroke wonder? I can't remember how many strokes he's had now. But that was Colin, just to let everybody know.
Oh,
That was
no,
Colin.
that was to me.
If you're watching, John.
Next time we'll get the gravy a wee bit better. Just,
Right,
It needs a
with the
bigger-
wee spillage there,
It needs a
Right,
bigger pan
but-
at the bottom so it doesn't slide each way. I mean, that's...
but you know it's going to taste superb, don't you?
Need to get a better
Ah.
tray for that. But see, John, was he not a chef? I think he's told me a few times, maybe a couple. He was a chef in California, wasn't he?
A tasty snackaroonie.
Right.
Ah,
I think that's
trying to beat a full roast dinner out in the middle of nowhere.
That's definitely job done, innit?
Right folks, dinner is served. Here's to Bugsey, he's been the chef tonight. But it's looking good. Roast beef, roast tatties, parsnips, sweet onions, and real gravy. Lovely. Right, 11:05 at night. Cheesecake time. Oh, I'm all over the place here. So, there's only 3 of us, so it's getting cut into 3. I'll try to do this with one hand. That's been an idea, obviously. We're cutting it to the ground.
What time is it, Colin?
Cheesecake.
It's cheesecake, yeah. Yep, you just said it in one, Bugsey. It's cheesecake time. 11:05. Most folk will still be in the pub or in their bed, but we're eating cheesecake. Oh, steady. Oh, I think I'm right through the bottom of it there. 10 to 12, it's cream cake time.
And then